Okay, in this section, you're going to use all the different definitions and properties of logs to solve these equations. So here's some of the notes, but I just find it better just to like kind of dig on in. So remember when you're looking at this, you would read it kind of in like a counterclockwise manner. So it's saying 4 squared equals x plus 3. Okay, so 4 squared equals x plus 3. Okay, so 4 squared is 16, x plus 3, subtract 3 off of both sides. So 13 equals x, okay? Now you have to get the log somewhat isolated. So I'm gonna divide by 3 here first. So I've got ln 2x equals 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, but you can replace ln with log base e of 2x equals 4. Okay, so now that I've got it written in a log form, I can do that counterclockwise. So it's saying e to the 4th equals 2x. Okay, divide by 2, and then e to the 4th over 2 equals x, if I'm getting x by itself, okay? Same thing here. So it's saying 2 raised to the 3rd power equals x minus 4. So 2 to the 3rd power equals x minus 4. So that's 8. Add 4 to both sides. And 12 equals x. So that one was actually easier than this one. All right. So this is similar to this middle one. So I'm going to divide by 4 first. Okay, and then I'm going to rewrite ln as log base e of 3x equals, whoops, that should be an equals 2. So then that's saying e squared equals 3x. Okay, so e squared equals 3x. Divide by 3 to get x by itself. So then x is going to equal e squared over 3. All right, so now this uses some of the properties of logs to rewrite. So remember, a subtraction is rewritten as division. So this is log base. And since there is no base, remember that that's considered a log base 10. So log base 10 of x over x minus 3 equals 1. Okay, so then if I'm doing that counterclockwise thing, that would mean 10 raised to the 1st power equals that. Okay, so 10 to the 1st equals x over x minus 3. Then I'm just going to cross multiply. And that would be 10x minus 30 equals x. Okay, so then I'm going to add 30 to both sides and subtract this x. I'm kind of doing it all at once because it's faster. Equals 30, so divide by 9. And those are both divisible by 3, so that would be 10/3 if I reduce this. Okay, last one. Okay, remember that addition is rewritten as multiplication. Okay, so it's going to be log base 2 of x minus 7 equals 3. Okay, so that's going to mean 2 to the 3rd power equals that. Okay, so 2 to the 3rd power equals x minus 7. Okay, so I'm going to distribute that. And I get x squared minus 7x equals 2 to the 3rd is 8. Okay, so if I move the 8 over, subtract 8 off of both sides, I have 0 equals x squared minus 7x minus 8. And then I'm going to factor that into a minus 8 and a plus 1. Set both of those equal to 0, and I would have x equals 8 and x equals negative 1. Okay, but remember you can't have a negative log only lets you have positive powers. So that one gets basically thrown out.